Gamada.tv.
Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about the fascinating history of the parrot. The parrot is a bird known for its incredible ability to imitate human sounds and words. But did you know that the history of these birds dates back thousands of years? The first evidence of the existence of parrots dates back to ancient Egypt, where they were considered sacred animals and were often depicted in art. In the following centuries, parrots became popular pets for the rich and powerful, and were often given as gifts to royalty. During the maritime explorations of the 15th and 16th centuries, parrots were discovered in regions such as South America, Africa, and Australia. Navigators brought them back to Europe, where they became even more popular as pets. In the 19th century, captive breeding of parrots became a common practice, which allowed greater accessibility of these birds to the general population. Parrots were also used for various purposes, including as war messengers, and even to detect toxic gases in mines. Today, parrots are still highly appreciated as pets for their playful personality and their ability to imitate human sounds. However, their capture in the wild and illegal trade have negative impacts on wild parrot populations, threatening their survival in many regions. That's it for the fascinating history of the parrot. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to share this video to learn more about the history of our feathered friends. Thank you for listening. See you soon.
Subscribe.